Is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we do things the right way, which is the Bray way, and I'm Bray. And today we're doing an eyebrow tutorial. So many people have asked me for this video, so here it is, y'all. I'm gonna do it how I do my eyebrows. Like, I'm not changing nothing. This works for me. If it's not gonna work for you, I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna try to explain it to the best of my ability. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so what I use for my eyebrows is this brush, angled brush with a spoolie on the end. I use a lighter color eyebrow pencil, and then a darker color, darker color eyebrow pencil. As you can see, I love this one because it's enough. And then I use concealer, and Q-tips and alcohol. But some people don't want to put alcohol on their face, so they use like makeup wipes, makeup cleaner, any kind of thing to clean your eyebrows up around it. But yeah, because I don't do a full face, I just do my eyebrows, so I have to clean up the makeup around it. Usually I just blend it in if I do a full face, but I'm still learning how to do that. So yeah, so what I do first is brush my eyebrows. If y'all see me looking over here in this mirror, just disregard. Brush my eyebrows out. I might need to wipe them off with some alcohol, so because I got grease on my face. So let me wipe that off, because if not, the pencil gonna just glide and it ain't gonna look right. So let me just do this. Let me clean it up a little bit. Clean it up a little bit. See? I knew it. Okay. So then I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. Brush them again. Feel kind of dry. So brush it again. And brush it again. Yeah, let me look over here in this mirror so I don't get confused. Boom, right? So what you want to do is take your lighter color pencil. I'm using the Wet n Wild pencil. I found this pencil from Target in the color dark brown. So yeah, I'm gonna take that, and then what I do is I underline the bottom first. And what I tell most people, like, you don't have to do this perfect, because the concealer is going to clean up everything. It's going to conceal your mistakes. So yeah, don't try to get your line all perfect. See, just one under. And you don't have to include every single hair in your eyebrows, because the concealer is going to conceal that as well. You're not going to be able to tell you left some hair out. Okay, like, you know, you need a wax but you can't get a wax type things and it's hair under there. Yeah, don't try to include every piece of hair. So as you can see, I underline with both. I underline both with my light brown pencil. Okay, so then what I do is I take my spoolie and I blend that line in. Blend the line in, but mainly in the front. You want the front to be blended really well, because you don't want it to be a harsh line. So blend that in, blend that in. Blend it in, blend it in. Y'all, when I say it's so quick and easy, and I'm just taking my finger to blend it a little bit more, but it's so quick and easy to do your eyebrows. Like, if I'm going through this too fast, I might have to do another video, but this is how I do it, y'all. It's so easy, like, yeah. And then I take my darker color pencil and do the top line. Now most people think you're supposed to do the whole eyebrow. No, I start like halfway and then just do like the tail piece of my eyebrow. Tail piece. Tail. And then tail. And then I use the same pencil to fill in my eyebrows. Fill it in, fill it in. Fill it in, fill it in. Oh, my hair in the way. Fill it in, fill it in. Yeah, I hope I'm explaining this good enough for y'all. Fill. Like, see? Fill. And I will say this, you gotta remember that eyebrows are sisters and not twins. What else? It's gonna take you a couple of tries to get it right. Like that line under, it's gonna take you a while to get it right, depending on the shape of your eyebrows, whether you have, how much eyebrows you have, how little you have. It's gonna take you some time. So just keep practicing this over and over and over, and you'll get it. I started doing my eyebrows when I was in like 10th grade. So how old was in 10th grade? Like 16 maybe. Now I'm 20 now, so yeah, it takes practice, right? So what you want to do now is blend that in again. Blend it in. Blend it in. I feel like I need some more right here. Light taps. Like, the closer you get to the front, this area right here, then how much you want to start using light strokes, because you don't want it to be too dark. Because if it's too dark, it's just not going to look natural at all, okay? Yeah. See? So this side's looking. Y'all, this video is going to be quick, okay? Because I feel like I'm rushing through this and I don't know how to explain it. So then I take my concealer. This is e.l.f. I swear by e.l.f. because it's always so cheap. e.l.f. Deep Cinnamon. I take it out like this, and then I tap my angled brush on it, and boom. Now I know some people use a lighter color on bottom and then the actual color on top. I use both of these colors on top because I feel like it just made my eyebrows pop. So all I do is, I gotta look in the mirror for this, y'all. All I do is underline, clean it up. That's all we're doing, clean it up around it. Clean it up. Boom. And then I do the other side, dab with this again, do the other side, and this side always, my right side, my hardest side because I'm left-handed. Boom. And then take this. Well, when I look at them, this one looks smaller than this one, so I'm gonna go on this side and push this line up some more. So I can make it a little bit thinner. I'm gonna push this line up. Oh, and you have to practice control with this brush, because when I first started, I would just let this brush glide and slide all over the place, and it won't look right. So I've done the bottom, and I think I need to do the left side one more time. I just need that right there to be a little more straight. I feel like this is still too big. And boom. This how we looking, this how we looking. Okay, then I dab again. And do the top. And do the top, go over, top, and then curve. Bring it down. Now, I didn't get as close as I need to, so I'm gonna go back over and just bring that line down. Bring it down. Then I'm gonna push this up. And that's the side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Dab it on here again with my brush. And glide across the top. And then on this side, I bring my hand around because I'm using my left hand to pull this line down. Glide across the top. I need some more concealer. Tap, tap, tap. You did bring this down. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring this line up some more so I can make a point at the end of my eyebrows. And now I'm just gonna compare the two and see. I need to bring this up to match the other side a little bit better. And then that's it for the concealer. So instead of me cleaning it up first, what I do is take my spoolie and I blend in the concealer in the front, because that's gonna make it a bit brighter again, to brighten up the beginning of your eyebrows, because nobody eyebrows start off thick in the beginning, like nobody's. It's real like light, and I don't want to say thin, but like thin in the front. So I just blend that in, right? Yep. Blend, blend, blend. Looking in the mirror, blend, blend, blend. And then boom. Now what I'm gonna do now is take a Q-tip and clean it up a little bit. So, got my Q-tip. And I'm just gonna blend it in. Or you can use like a makeup sponge, but I use Q-tips, I don't know why. And then blend this in to the best of your ability. Blend, blend, blend. Yeah, they looking good, looking good. And I'm low-key almost done. Now, I could leave my eyebrows like this, but I know when I go out in the sun, that concealer is gonna be showing, okay? So what I do is take some alcohol. Now, like I said at the beginning, you don't have to do this, but this is what I do. You know how you get your job, you start working for a little while, then you gotta teach somebody how to do what you do, and you be like, this is not the way you're supposed to do it, but this is the way I do it, this is the way I do it, okay? And it worked for me. So I just take this and clean up around my eyebrows. Clean it up, and get some of that concealer gone. Or you can use like some makeup wipes. I used to use makeup wipes, but it's kind of hard to. This Q-tip gonna be more accurate than a makeup wipe. I'm gonna go around and go around. Do 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 do. Do do do. Boom. And y'all, that's how I do my eyebrows. Like, it's so simple. I don't know if I need to do a more detailed video. Like, just let me know. I don't know. This is how I do it. It's the best way I can explain it. Like, yeah. But I'm about to go ahead and put my eyelashes on. What time it is? It's 4:13. I'm gonna put my eyelashes on real quick, and we can just do some little chit chat. So, I don't know what else I have coming for you guys yet. I know I'm on Chilling Squad, so I'm definitely vlogging the first game. I might do a Thanksgiving vlog. I don't know. I just been like school has been cutting my butt, like managing practice, and I've been doing hair on campus too. So installing wigs, practice, schoolwork, internship. I just been, y'all, I have been all over the place. But I'm about to put these eyelashes on. I don't know if I want to double them up or not. I got these eyelashes from the beauty supply store down here, and I don't know if I want to double up because I didn't get 2 pairs. I be doubling my lashes up. Like, I need you to look thick, so I got another pair, but I don't know. I gotta pick my cousin up. Okay, I'm telling y'all the whole life story. Never mind. But yeah, I'm pressed for time. But yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows. I might just put my lashes on. I don't know what else to do. Oh, I can talk about, yeah, so I started another brand. It's called DaBraeWay dupes. It's basically, I'm gonna be your personal DHgate. I have Balenciaga, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, all types of stuff for the low. It's DaBraeWay dupes.bigcartel.com and DaBraeWay dupes on Instagram. I'm probably gonna put that somewhere on the screen, but yeah, that's what I have going on right now. I know it's a lot. So bear with me if I don't post often. I try to, but bear with me, okay? Okay, let me put my lashes on. Y'all distracting me. And that's all I really have going on. So I might just put my lashes on, and then this is gonna be the end of this video, okay? Okay. Okay y'all, so that's it for this video, this eyebrow tutorial, plus I guess a little mini get ready with me since I did my eyelashes and my lips too. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. I gotta finish my hair. I gotta figure out how to do my hair, y'all. But yeah, this is not done. It's just, yeah. But I'm probably gonna post some more pictures like when I go outside and stuff. So yeah, I'll put it on the little end screen and whatnot. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions about the eyebrow tutorial, please leave them below, because I know I kind of ran through it, but please leave your questions below, all right? And you can get some final appearance pictures that way. Yeah, okay. But like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other videos you guys want to see, and that's it. Love you, my brave babies.
Another minute for you. Oh, you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Do I promise?